Welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwatoni Adetiba. In today's video, I'll be taking you through how we can search for products on 1688.com. Let's get started. In today's video, we shall be making use of three applications. One, 1688.com app. Two, the translator, that is Google Translator. And three, Google Chrome. The first step is to type the keyword of that product you want to search on inside the translator. Then thereafter, you copy it. After you might have copied it, you go to the Google Chrome and type 1688.com. Then you search it. Then thereafter, you click on that icon. You paste that thing there. Then you wait. So right now, allow it to load. Yes, as you can see right now, it's loading. Yes, allow it to load. Then click on that three dotted icon, click on translator. Below that three dotted, click on it. Then you translate to Chinese simplified. That should translate it from Chinese simplified to English. Then thereafter, you click on that place to copy the link. Then you save the link. You have to create a page on your WhatsApp just for personal use. Then you paste that link inside that group. Then you can also add the picture of that thing so that we do not forget that product. Then the second method is using the 1688.com application. You click on that application. You click on the photo logo to search for the photo. Then you select the photo you want to search. That is the product you want to search. I want to search that sweeping robot. Then you wait for it to search. After that, you look for your favorite one. You click on it. After clicking on it, you click on I will show you below the yes. You click on that place. Yes, click on it. It will copy it. Yes, that thing that has been copied, you take to translator, that Google Translator. You paste it on the Chinese simplified. You swap it, Chinese simplified, paste it there. Then click on the link. Yes, HTTP, click on it to copy that. That is the link you want to use now. You now take it to Google Chrome. You click on Google Chrome, allow it to load. Inside the search engine, you paste it there. You search that link that you have copied from that translator. Okay, wait. Okay, good. Yes, that's good. Yes, you want to translate it to English the way we did it earlier. Yes, you click on the three dotted icon above. You click on translator. Down here, you change it to English language from English simplified to English language. Yes, you copy on that link above. You click on that link above. You now copy it. The link has been copied again. You bring it down to your page you've created, the group you have created. Then you can also paste it there. Thereafter, you can select the picture so that we don't forget that product. So in the next video, I will be showing you how you can buy the product using agent or buying directly from the supplier. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.